Hey everybody, it's MakeupMenaree. Welcome back to my channel. So today I decided I wanted to go ahead and try some of these weird face masks, face guards. I know you guys see them all over the place. There are ads all over Instagram, on Facebook, you know, on YouTube here. They have ads for all these weird different like face guards and face masks. Decided to go ahead and grab a few and see, you know, how they work. I feel like a few of these I've not seen anybody in real life wearing any of these. We're gonna try them today. I've ordered, I think, 4 different types on different, you know, various platforms. I think some of them might be a little ridiculous. Some of them, I don't know, maybe will work. We'll see. I'll give a little disclaimer. I know that a few of these are probably not, I don't know, you're not going to be able to wear these in a hospital or anything like that. I work at a hospital, so I know that I'm not going to be able to wear these at work. I think if you're just running to the store, running a few errands, and you need to throw on a face mask or a face shield or some kind of apparatus, that these should be okay. Check your local laws and rules and see, you know, if this is something, if you guys decide to, you know, purchase any of these, that, you know, those are all okay to wear. So that's my disclaimer. So don't come for me if y'all get in trouble for wearing these. I didn't tell y'all you could. I'm just showing you guys some of these weird contraptions that they're calling face guards and face masks. So anyway, enough rambling on. Let's go ahead and get started. First one I wanted to show you guys is an actual face shield. So I started looking at these because now I work at the hospital, and now they're going to be requiring us not only to wear face masks, but we're also going to be required to wear a face shield or eye protection goggles, that kind of thing. During a mask, I am not trying to put on these thick, big goggles that they are giving us at the hospital to use, or these face shields. Basically, it's a headband that goes around your head. It's styrofoam, and you wear it that way. They're really big, gaudy, not very comfortable. And I got all this hair right now, and I just think, how uncomfortable would that be to have to wrap that around my head like that and wear that? That got me to looking for different types of face shields or eye goggles or something that I could wear at work that would be more comfortable. So I ordered these. Were super inexpensive. Obviously, everything that I am showing today, I will make sure to link in the description box below. If you guys are interested, you guys can check them out. This is what they look like when they come in the package. It comes in a little protective sheet like this, and then the glasses come alone like this. So it's really, really simple to put together. So this is what it looks like after you put it together. You just basically remove the film on either side of the little sheet. Now, there's reviews on Amazon. People are talking shit about, you know, it's filmy, I can't see, it's not clear, it's not this. And the first thing I thought was, they probably didn't remove the plastic sheeting on the actual product. It has a plastic film on either side, so you have to peel that off on either side, both sides. Then it'll be super clear. You can see, let me show you the difference in regards to that. You can see that it's not as clear as that. This actually is something that I think is going to be something that I can use and wear at work. The sheet actually comes out. It's got these little holes on the side, you can see, and it just basically wraps around, and it clips in place on the sides with these little rubber clips. So you can see, super easy. And this is what it looks like when it's on. I'm sorry if I sound muffled. It's lightweight, comfortable, your whole face is covered. I don't see why you wouldn't be able to wear this if you went to maybe a grocery store or ran a few errands. It covers your entire face. It comes all the way down past my chin, and it goes up, you know, past my eyebrows. It's super comfortable to wear. It's just like wearing a pair of glasses. And we have tested this on one of my coworkers at work that wears glasses. It does fit around her glasses. So she doesn't have an oversized set of eyeglasses, but she does have normal eyeglasses, and this does fit over that. I think this is a thumbs up. It was super inexpensive. It came in a set, like I said, of 4. I think you can order them in sets of 4, 8, 12, whatever number you want. Like I said, I'll link this one in the description box below. Lightweight, protective, your eyes are protected, your face is protected. And for people who are always complaining about not being able to breathe, I think this might be a good option for you guys. So the next one that I purchased was these these see-through face masks that are actually completely see-through. It's a flexi plastic one. I don't know. In the ads and in the pictures, it looks like that might work. I'm a little worried about it being foggy and sort of moist and gross in there. I have not tried this one out yet. I wanted to wait until I recorded it with you guys. I figured, oh, we'll try it. It looks like it could work, but when I received it, I'm not really too sure how this is going to work. This is what it looks like. So the first thing I checked for was to see if it had that nose piece, that bendable nose bridge piece. It does not, which is going to be a major concern for me. My medical mask here. So it has this metal piece. You can see you can bend it to any way you want, you know, and it holds its place. That way when you put it on your face, you can pinch it down on your nose and it holds it in place. This mask does not have that, so that makes me very, very concerned. The material looks really good. It looks like it's really well constructed. I feel like this would be good for people, like maybe you have people that are hard of hearing, who read lips, you know, mouth reading. So maybe that would be good if you have a lot of people in your life for that. It does have adjustable ear straps. The straps are really nice and flexible. It feels like it's good quality. Concerned about is the foggy situation that might occur, the misty, moist situation that might occur, and that there's no nose bridge. So let's go ahead. I don't think there's any film you have to take off on this, no. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on and see what it looks like. My nose, and it's already fogging up. Okay, so this is not the prettiest.
Oh my God!
Oh my God, you guys. And I have makeup on and it's already smearing on there. That is absolutely atrocious. Yeah, so if it had a nose piece, I don't even think it would be able, let me take this off. Look at this.
No,
are you guys serious?
God.
Like, this is not, I already can tell. It's
God, please,
missing my lip.
No! No!
Oh my God, you guys.
No!
What? Guys, this is, I'm starting to sweat. Absolutely horrible. Oh my God, let me get this off. Talk about not being able to feel like you can breathe. Look at the... You guys, no, this is not it. Look at my nose and my cheeks and lips and chin. Oh my God, this is absolutely horrifying. Not going to endorse this. This is horrible. Literally dying at my imprint of my nose and everything. Like, you can see my nose and everything perfectly. That is so funny. This is a no-go, guys. Definitely a waste of time and energy, but this is absolutely hilarious, the print, but no. I'll link them in the description box anyway. I think I might go ahead and recycle these earpieces though, and maybe put those on another mask, because those are really, really stretchy and comfortable, good quality. You can adjust them. But as far as the mask goes, it's a no-go. We're not playing with that. I'm not putting that back on. I literally felt like I could not breathe. Okay guys, so this next one is probably the one that was most interested in looking at. I have not even opened it yet. I just got it in the mail. Could be either, so this could be either really good or really bad. Okay, so it definitely seems a little scary and not really what the picture shows. So there's that. So yeah, this is the mask. It is pretty scary and pretty big. Definitely need to check my picture description, because this is one of those items that did not match what it said it was. But anyway, yeah, so let's go ahead. Oh my God, and try this one on. So it has the ear loops, of course, that are hard plastic. I don't know how comfortable this would be. And everything is like hard plastic. Let's go ahead and try this on. First of all, the ears loops are huge, so I don't even know how I'm supposed to get it on my face. Oh my God, guys, I can't even get it on. Oh my God. I'll rip my hair out. Okay, this is really a struggle, guys.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so it's instantly fogging up, which it said it was not supposed to do. So, oh my God. This is definitely, I mean, it's comfortable, but it's really, really big and gaudy. It sits on the nose comfortable, but it's not touching my cheeks at all. Like, you can see there's spaces in between. So I don't know how effective. I mean, maybe I could push it back a little bit so that it's covering my face. I feel like I should be on some kind of game like Halo or one of those types of games, those video games. This is definitely something that is not what I thought I was getting. The picture looked a lot different than this. It's supposed to be anti-fog, so that's a lie. Comfortable. It's not like bothering me at all, even though it was pretty hard to get on my ears. I think mostly because of my hair is in the way. Never seen anybody wear this before outside, maybe because it looks a little crazy. Oh my god. You guys, I don't know. A little oddball-y. It's covering your face. It's comfortable. I would be able to wear this for a while. It has plenty of space up in there for you to move around and talk, and it's comfortable on the nose. I just literally have not seen anybody wearing this type of mask out and about. It looks a little odd. As long as this didn't fog up like that, I don't think it would be so weird looking. Not very heavy. It sits comfortably on the nose. And besides just the foggy weirdness, I think this is pretty comfortable. What do you guys think about this one? Do you guys think that this would fly? Obviously, there's areas like hospitals and things you can't wear this kind of thing in. But I am pleasantly surprised. It's not as bad as I thought it was going to be when I pulled it out of the bag. It looked a little crazy, to be honest. I think that this would be an option for people, like I said, who feel like they can't breathe. If I can get it off without killing myself. Oh my god. Weird. The ears, you know, fold up like glasses. You can see it didn't take too much of my nose off, but the rest of it didn't really touch my face. So yeah, that is that one. So the next one is sort of similar to these horrible ones that I just tried, but this is one that sort of just clips on your nose and hangs down over your mouth like a face shield. This one comes in different designs. I just picked this design because it, to be honest, was the least expensive. They all looked about the same. It has the little shield that comes down. This does have that nose bridge pinch, so you guys can see it does hold its shape. You can form it in any way. The straps are a little less stretchy, but I feel like they're still pretty good quality. And like I said, these had all different types of patterns and things like that. So yeah, you just go ahead and put that on and it just hangs down over your face. So let's see how this one goes. I'm sort of nervous after the last one because the last one was horrifying. Oh, it's already fogging up. Are my nostrils that big to where it just instantly starts fogging up? My god, look. That's what I'm worried about. Like, that looks scary, and my nose looks scary. Look at my nose. It's like smushing my nose. It looks absolutely horrible under there. But let's move it down. Okay, so this one's a little more comfortable. I feel like, okay, this one's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. It definitely covers your entire face. It sort of goes out over your face. From the side, you guys can see, so it's not like smashed to my face like that other clear one was, but it's a lot more comfortable. It is fogging up. See my moist spittle, which is something that I was worried about was going to happen with these clear masks, but it is comfortable. Like, if you guys feel like you can't breathe and you're not worried about like the fogging up too much, then I feel like this is a good option for you guys. I don't think this is going to fly if you're going into a hospital, but if you're going into, you know, a store or that kind of thing, I think that this probably would be okay. Again, just make sure if you guys decide to purchase any of these to check with your, you know, your local laws and rules and regulations and see if this would be okay. But I literally have not seen anybody out wearing these, which, yeah, none of these I've seen anybody wear in person. And I can see why I ain't wearing these in person. Look at that. Absolutely horrendous. But this, I think, is a good option. It's comfortable. I feel like I have enough room to breathe and I can talk easily. It is me testing out some of these weird masks that I've literally only seen in ads. Some of them were okay, and obviously some of them were not okay. If you guys liked any of these masks that I tried, I linked them all in the description box below, so if you guys are interested in picking those up, you guys can. Masks can sometimes make you feel like you're suffocating. I think some of these face shields and face guards might be an option for you. Also, make sure to link my video that I have that has a lot of tips and tricks for mask wear. It makes it a lot easier to breathe. I'll make sure to link that up here for you guys so you check it out. I have items like these face shields where you just put them in your regular mask like that, and then it holds it away from your mouth. and then you can breathe a lot easier. This is super affordable. I'll make sure to link these in the description box. If you have any other questions about any of the masks that I like to wear, or anything else, make sure to comment below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys next time. Jesus Christ. Absolutely horrifying. My God. Hell no. Make sure to check out my mask hacks videos here.